녹음하는 거 구경하고 거예요.
Good evening, 7th grade FOM. Welcome to 7th grade math geometry. Today, I am going to go over our homework that we didn't get to in class. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to go backwards. So start with problem number 30 on page 387. Okay? All right, everybody, let's get ready. So I am drawing my diagram, which looks like that. Okay? It looks like that. It's a little more tilted, so let me fix my diagram. So the upper side tends to be a little longer than that. And here we go. Now let me label the side lengths, which is 3x minus 2 meters, 4x plus 3 meters, and the perimeter is 50 meters. I'm just copying all this information off the book. And that's 2x plus 5 meters, 2x, and then meters. All right, so you can tell that all the side lengths are given and none of them is congruent to anything else, all right? So all 4 different side lengths in a quadrilateral because it's 4 sides. Ready? So let's talk concept. What is a perimeter? Isn't it the distance around a figure? So all around, right? All around in mathematics means addition. Isn't that right? So we are going to set up an equation that satisfies that situation, which goes 2x, I'm starting with this side length, okay? Plus 3x minus 2, I am ignoring the parentheses because we're not subtracting any expressions. So we're adding this and the second side length plus 2x plus 5, which is the third side length. Ooh, let me move this a little bit to the left. Okay, and then the last one is plus 4x plus 3, which is the side length number 4. All that is equal to the perimeter, which is 50. Does everyone understand this? How this equation is formed right here. One more time. You were given the perimeter to begin with. Perimeter is the distance all around the figure. All around, we just have to add every single side length given, which gave us this equation. Okay? So, you guys ready? Let's combine like terms. Watch carefully. Here we go. It is... I'm going to circle the like terms. Remember, you guys have to include the side in front of each term. Coefficient. 2x, positive 3x, positive 2x, positive 4x. So, these two add up to become 5x, right? And then one more, 2x, and then plus 4x. Gives you 5 plus 2 plus 4. If I'm not wrong, it is 11x. Is everyone following? And then we have negative 2. We're combining like terms which are constant, right? Positive 5 and positive 3. Pull them aside. Negative 2 plus 5 plus 3, which add to become negative 3 plus 5 gives you positive 3. Add 3 more to that, plus 6. So when you combine all the like terms to simplify that expression of left side, which is the left side of the equation, it simplifies, typically boils down to 11x plus 6. All that is equal to perimeter 50, isn't it? Now all you have to do is just solve this equation. You'll know how to do that. Minus 6 minus 6. Purple. That's right. I will use purple. Summer wants us to use a purple. So inverse operation minus 6. Cancel that part, which brings down 11x is equal to 50 minus 6 gives you 44. Now we're going to have to get rid of something purple. You want me to keep using something purple? 11. We're going to have to get rid of 11 to get x by itself, right?
This is purple.
Oh, that's purple. Sorry about that. So divide that by 11, of course, both sides. And that cancels 11 out.
Side.
Brings x And then 44 divided by 11 is 4, of course.
Something
And
pink.
that is your
Something
answer.
pink.
Something pink. It's now red. X is equal to 4.
Red.
That's your problem number
Pink.
30. Okay, let's go to the next problem, which is
Mom.
problem number 28. Yes, Summer? I am going to
Why
draw.
you're not using purple?
I can't always just use purple only. I gotta use multicolors like that. Many, many colors. So it's pleasing to our eyes.
You can
It makes
use
math
purple
fun.
too.
Yes, I can. Here we go. So I have a quadrilateral with...
I have pen purple.
Yes, you do. I
But
have the
I
upper
don't have
sides
pink.
congruent and lower sides congruent to each
But
other.
I have
okay?
white.
Yeah, hold on a sec, Summer. Thank you. Such a quadrilateral is actually called kite. Okay? It is a member of a quadrilateral. I know we've just learned square, rectangle, sorry, trapezoid, parallelogram, and the rhombus, right? Kite is one more. It's family member number 6. So kite. Now we have some given information. Ready? The given information says that this side right here is 40 inches. And this one right here in parentheses 5x plus 12. And that's 5x plus 12 inches. Now that should not bother me because you know why not? This side and that side, the tick mark shows that they are congruent size, meaning the lengths should be equal to each other. That gives me an equation, which goes 40 is equal to 5x plus 12. Yeah, you just have to, because the two sides are congruent.
Use purple.
I'm going to keep using purple per her demand. Now let's subtract. Think about it. Our goal is to get rid of x. So let's subtract minus 2. Sorry, let's subtract 12. Goes away, makes that part go away. And that gives me 40 minus 12 gives me 28. And that's 5x. And let's divide both sides by 5. And then that gives me cancellation. X is equal to 28 over 5.
How about mine?
That's your answer. And final answer should have the unit, right? For those of you who want to be exact, you can go ahead and pull that numbers out. Okay, and then divide 28 by 5. 5 goes in 28 5 times. 25 is the product. Minus 30. Decimal point up. As soon as you have it in the dividend side, pull it up to the quotient. And then that gives me an annex 0. 5 goes into 30 6 times. 5 times 6 gives you, minus 30. And that gives me 5.6 inches. That is my answer for problem number 28.
This is my answer.
That's your answer? Good job, Summer. Problem number 26. Here we go. The quadrilateral looks like this. It looks a little bit like a trapezoid, but it's not. Because trapezoid must have at least and exactly one pair of parallel sides.
You're not using purple.
Oh, you gotta use, you know what? My students like it when I use multicolors. So, here we go. Congruent size.
But after
right here.
But after blue, can you have purple?
Yes, after blue, I will use purple, honey. Perimeter of such a quadrilateral is 24.5 yards.
Why
Parentheses,
you say honey?
2x plus 2.5 yards. 1 second, Summer, sorry. 8 yards, okay?
Why you say
All
honey?
I know is that, one more time, perimeter is distance
say
all
honey?
around the quadrilateral. So all around is 24.5. That's what I know. 1 second, Summer. Wait for me, okay? All right, wait till I'm done. Because, look at this. The sides are marked congruent. Their side lengths must be equal. Therefore, I'm going to mark this side 5 yards as well. Does that make sense? Because this side is congruent to that side, their side lengths must be equal. 5 yards, 5 yards. And then it's 8 yards over here. And guess what? The last one is an expression length, but that should not, bother me, because what I can do is that I can add 5 yard, which is the first length, and then what? One more 5 yard.
Blue,
second length. I promised you after the blue, I will use purple. I'm going to switch. My length number 3 is 8 yard, so I'm going to add 8 yard. And then my length number 4 is an expression.
You forgot.
I did forget. Sorry about that. My length number 4 is an expression, but that should not bother me. But anyways, all of the 4 lengths should add up to perimeter. 24.5 yards.
Can you use green?
I will use green right now after blue. Purple. Now let's combine some like terms. 5 plus 5 plus 8. And what else do you have without a variable? That's right, plus 2.5. So these two add to become 10. 10 plus 8 gives you 18. 18 plus 2.5 gives you 20.5. Ready? So that's my constant, 20.5. And I guess that is my only variable that has the variable inside. So plus 2x is equal to 24.5, which is the whole perimeter. All you have to do is just solve it. All right, you guys ready? So this is what we're going to do. Let's start performing the inverse operations. Minus 20.5 minus 20.5. Okay, and cancel each other out. We'll bring down 2x is equal to, hey, what's the difference? Isn't it 4? And then you will divide both sides by 2. Cancel each other out. X is equal to 2. Yeah.
After green, can you use?
Yes, I can. All right, pink? So that's problem number 26.
You're not using.
Here we go. This is pink, Summer. Problem number 24.
You're not using yellow.
I will use yellow after the pink, okay? This to me looks like a parallelogram. So 8 meters. Yes, I can. X plus 3 meters. And let me switch my color. Oh my gosh, she's so demanding. All right, so you learned in class today that in parallelogram, opposite sides are congruent. Therefore, their opposite, side, lower left side, must be congruent to its opposite. Upper left corner must be congruent to lower right corner. And you also learned that opposite sides are, good job, Summer. Opposite sides are congruent to each other, meaning their lengths are equal. Therefore, did you say equal? Yes. Therefore, 8 is equal to x plus 3. Simple as that. And that is a simple equation to solve, rather. So x is equal to 5.
Yellow,
what's the unit? 5 meters. Okay. Very simple.
Red.
Very simple. All right. Second to the last one. 22. I think I see a square, though nothing is marked. So I promise you, guys, at least on my assessments, I will not give you anything unmarked, okay? So just to begin with, because to my eyes, it looks like a square. So let me mark them square, okay? What's given is that parentheses 3x plus 5. Can you wait for me, Summer? Thank you. If this side is 3x plus 5, this side better be 3x plus 5 because for a square, all sides are congruent. So their sides are...
so pretty.
It is very pretty, Summer. So their lengths are equal. And what's it asking? Problem number 2 is asking to express the perimeter. Did you say perimeter? So we're looking for a distance all around.
Picture.
Right? So, guess what?
Picture. Mom,
if this is 3x plus 5, one second, Summer. 3x plus 5, and this side also should be 3x plus 5. We said distance all around, right? So you're adding 3x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5. That's what we're doing. And then don't worry about the parentheses because we're not subtracting anything. So you can almost like ignore the parentheses. I'm just one by one, I am taking them out. Okay? Whoa. got erased. Hold on. What's going on? All right. So parentheses out.
Oh.
Isn't that cool, Summer? It's an eraser. Okay, so let's combine like terms. 3x plus 3x plus 3x plus 3x. How many 3x's is that? Isn't that 4? So 12. 1 second, Summer. When I'm teaching, you cannot interrupt. Sorry about that, but you got to be patient, okay? So 4 3's, that gives you 12 x's. Now, how about constant term? Plus 5, plus 5, plus 5, and then one more plus 5. That's like 4 plus 5's. That should give you 20. Did we answer the question? Yes, we have. Express the perimeter as a simplify. We just simplified, right? Expression. Your perimeter is 12x plus 20. And here we go. Is your answer. If you want to be more exact, it really should be, parentheses 12x plus 20 meters, right? Yeah, because it's given a unit. Last one. Problem number 20. Thank you, Summer, for being so patient. 20, my last diagram. To my eyes, it looks like a trapezoid. Okay, but it doesn't say. But anyways, 6 centimeters, 7 centimeters, 3 centimeters, parentheses 2x plus 1 centimeters. Now, same thing. It doesn't matter whether it's a trapezoid, a parallelogram, square. It really doesn't matter. Because all we're talking about is perimeter is all around. Perimeter all around. Excuse me. Perimeter is all around. Excuse me. All around means adding. Adding all. Okay? We're adding all. All right, so let's add them. Ready? 3 centimeters plus 6 centimeters plus 7 centimeters plus. Last one is an expression, but that does not bother me. So that's the perimeter, right? So the direction says to express the perimeter. We're just going to add them because it adds a simplified version. All right, sure. Let's combine like terms. I want you to identify the like terms. 3 plus 6 plus 7 plus, let's not forget the last one. This one gives you 9. Those two gives you 16. And together gives you 17. That's your constant. And then this has nothing to be combined with. So it'll look like, let me just use a different color. So that's red for variable term. So here we go. 2x and then plus 17p. And to be more exact,
Mom.
I know, brother's at the door, right? Yeah, I'm almost done. 2x plus 7 centimeter is your perimeter. That's your answer. Yeah! Good job, Mom.